Okay guys, what is up everyone? In today's video we're gonna be having a look at Bitcoin. Verasity currently breaking out right now. Verasity is making some nice little moves right now, currently above the VPVR, which is a big level, as well as TRX Tron. So Tron right here, we were actually in a ascending channel. Let me take away the VPVR real quick. We were actually in an ascending channel on Tron right here. I'm gonna have a better review at it in a second, but essentially these are the coins we're gonna be having a look at today. Let's dive in at in Bitcoin real quick. We're gonna be starting off with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king, as we know. There's no question of that. On the daily time frame. So what can we see on the daily time frame? So first of all, yesterday I did mention that we were in a hidden bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Okay, so this was the hidden bearish divergence. Now they don't always play out, but we are indeed still in the hidden bearish divergence. So don't we must not go all in on Bitcoin just yet. But another positive sign is that we are still being held by the exponential moving average. As you guys can see right here, we saw three little beautiful bounces at the 20 exponential or EMA ribbon right here. These are the EMA ribbons right here. So we essentially saw nice little bounces off this. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we just made a nice little breakout right above it as well, so it's nice. On the shorter time frame, we are trending towards the upside. There is no question regarding that. But let's have a look at the bigger time frames real quick. So on the bigger time frames, what can we see over here? We did have this support level right here on the daily time frame that I mentioned. I did mention that if we were to break below this, then it would be bad news bears for us, because it would essentially pretty much say that the hidden bearish divergence is on track, but that was not the case. Anyways, that's for Bitcoin. The whole market is currently pumping right now. I mean, Bitcoin is up 0.5%, which will lead most of the time to altcoins pumping. Yesterday we saw a green market a little bit, which also led to the altcoins pumping, which is very nice. Let's dive into VRA Veracity. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon real quick, we haven't broken, I mean, we did break below, but we actually haven't closed below the exponential moving average, which is very nice. Another thing is this support region right here that I've been talking about. So if you guys go to my YouTube channel and see that the video I posted 2 days ago, sorry, I mentioned that we had a breakout and that we were going to essentially break out of a breakout was going to be imminent, okay? And this is exactly what's happening right here. Look at that. We never actually closed below the support. This is a support level right here, and we never ever closed below this support region. So yes, even though we saw these wicks right here, we never fully closed below. So this is actually very good news for Veracity, in my opinion. Now we did come here and we did indeed get rejected right here by this peak at this resistance. So we do have a new resistance right here, but if I extend this, we have more resistance, of course. So in my opinion, this anywhere between this level we're gonna have to break is gonna be a little bit tough. Another one is these are two minor resistance right here, by the way. If we manage to stay above this level, which is the 7.0 or 7 cents level, then that would be very good. As you guys can see right here, we do have a rejection right here, a rejection right here, as well as a base right here. If I extend it right here, if I extend this right here, we do have slight, but it's not really accurate because we never made a peak. But I would say these three peaks right here are very important, and if we manage to stay above that level on Veracity VRA, then it's going to be massive news. VRA is a big coin, only worth 300 million market cap. Before anything, guys, none of this is financial advice, of course, so always do your own research and due diligence. I'm just here to teach you guys and educate you guys. It's only for educational purpose, as you guys know. So that's for Veracity. Let's have a look at the moving average on the 4 hours. So on the moving average on the 4-hour time frame, very nice. I mean, we did have a death cross right here, as you guys can see, which is not the best sign, but we are above the 200 moving average and above the 50 moving average, which is very nice. So in my opinion, I don't think this is gonna last long. Death crosses usually, you know, because we are in a bull market, they're not usually so accurate. It would be more accurate if it were in a bear market. So that's for VRA. I mean, make sure you don't FOMO into this coin. This was a very fast pump. If we have a look on the 30-minute time frame, this happened within an hour. So you know, you could always make sure you wait for the pullback, perhaps at 7, because 7 is a key region. If I have a look at the VPVR, I believe it's at 7. I am not sure. Let's have a look. Visible range. It is not. It's actually at 6.3. Okay, that was very inaccurate, but it's okay. Oh, we do have one at 7.1 actually, right here. Okay, so this level right here is where the volume has mostly been traded for Verasity, so it's actually a very, very important zone. As you guys can see, it's sitting right above 7 cents, so I actually wasn't completely wrong, because I didn't calculate all this level right here. But anyways, that's for Verasity, so make sure you guys don't FOMO in. I mean, this thing just exploded. Let's have a look at Tron TRX. On Tron TRX, let's have a look at this channel. So as you guys know, a channel, let's have a look on the 30-minute time frame because it makes more sense. So we were in this channel for quite some time on the 30-minute time frame for Tron, and as you guys know, ascending channels are indeed bearish. But because once again we are in a bull market, it will essentially break to the upside most of the time. So that's for TRX Tron. What is our price prediction? I mean, we did break this level right here. As you guys can see, this was a strong resistance. If I bring this up a little bit higher, we did break above that, which is fantastic news. I'm not personally holding Tron, guys, but my next price prediction or my next price target, if I were to trade this after a nice little pullback, would essentially be 15 to 16 cents, anywhere between this region, which is approximately from here a 20%, it's essentially a 20% increase. So that's that, guys, for TRX, Tron, Verasity, and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.